Hey everyone, welcome to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel. On this channel, I teach and promote how we can eat and live that leads to a healthy lifestyle for the whole family today. And on this video, I'm going to show you what you can do at home to get good exercise and to stay in shape in just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Coming up next. So I used to go to the gym all the time and I still love it, and eventually I will get back to the gym one day, but right now it's just, with our life the way it is, it just doesn't work well. And I could, but I'd have to make a lot of extra sacrifices that I don't really want to make. Sacrifices being time with my family and children. It's really busy when you have 3 little kids, babies and toddlers, going around, balancing work schedules with shift work and things. And it just, if I took time to go to the gym, it would be a lot less time with my family, and I don't want to sacrifice that. And it doesn't matter because I can get exercise right at home. And I find, so what I do is what I find, I get up, I get up a little bit earlier in the morning. And I find I actually feel a lot better when you go to bed just a little bit earlier and you get up a little bit earlier. I find you get to know your body, and for me, I need 8 hours of sleep. And if I go to bed around 10, I can get up around 6. I get 8 hours, right? Get up earlier, I have lots of time to exercise, but it only takes 10-15 minutes to get some good exercise in, especially if you're a busy mom. At home with kids, you're always moving. There's never a time where you get to sit down and stop, right? So the only dangers that we have today, they say that sedentary lifestyle is the new smoking, right? We're sitting at work, we're coming home, we're sitting in front of the TV, we're always sitting. We're not getting out and doing things and moving our body. The only thing you need to do really is keep your body moving. It doesn't have to be an intense hour or 2-hour workout. You know, just as long as you keep moving. Or being a parent, you're always moving, you're always on your feet doing things, you're always going and doing things with your kids. So I don't think we really have to worry about this, but it is good to keep those muscles and your organs all in shape. And actually studies prove, and I can link these studies in the bottom, that we always thought that, you know, if we're injured, we need to relax and not move those muscles, which is true to some extent, but new studies show that we need to get out and start exercising and moving those muscles and keeping them in shape. And we need to keep our organs in shape, especially our lungs, our heart, our brain. And we do that by keeping the blood circulating. And first thing in the morning, you know, a lot of people go to coffee. I go to exercise. You get right up in the morning and you drop down, you do some push-ups, and it gets the blood flowing, it gets you going. And other studies show that exercise reduces chronic disease that are in the top killers today, like heart disease and obesity and diabetes and high blood pressure. These things happen because of what we eat and how we treat our bodies. And if we're just sitting around doing nothing, we're going to be sick. Our bodies are not going to be in shape, and they're not going to be able to fight what comes against us. So we need to stay in shape. So it can be easy. It doesn't have to be difficult. And even more research points to that the more exercise you get, the better you sleep at night. It obviously makes sense. The more relaxed you actually are, the better you feel, helping with anxiety, depression, even chronic fatigue and arthritis, and just being tired all the time. They found that people feel a lot better, and you go to the gym, and after, you feel so much better, especially during the winter when a lot of the times you're stuck inside. You need to get out and do physical activities, and you feel so much better. Even though you dread going out in the cold, it is so much better once you've done this. So today I'm just going to show you my 10 to 15 minute routine that I do 3 to 5 times a week. And it keeps me in shape. You know, I'm not looking to, you know, I'm up all the time on my feet with my kids. I'm going. I'm not looking to bulk up and be in a competition or be a heavy weight lifter. No, I just want to stay in shape, and I want to keep my organs running well and keep them in shape. That's all we're looking for. We need just keep it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. And we can do this right at home and save a lot of money and save time with our family and stay healthy. It's a win-win. So I'm just going to share with you a few exercises that I do in my routine. Okay. So here we are, just in your living room floor. And before the kids get up, I come out, I do as many push-ups as I can and try to stay consistent with however many I do. Say I start out by doing 50, I'm going to try to keep that 50 and keep increasing that. And just to do as many as you can so that So I keep my arms out straight and kind of equal with my shoulders going straight down. And legs right up, back as straight as I can. Keep my butt up, not letting it sag, and down, and back up. Full extension of the arms, don't cheat. There we go. And do as many as those. Then I move on to sit-ups. The sit-ups, I like to get under the couch here, get my feet right under so they can grab a hold so I'm not sliding back as I do them. Laying down, and I like to put my hands right here by my face, but you can put them on your chest, whatever. I find this works best for me. And my knees together, and I'm going to go up slowly and come right up and touch. And go back down and extend my arms right back down against the ground so I'm getting full kind of extension of the abdominal muscles. And up and back. And I think this is really important to have good form, to do it slowly, that you're getting good flexion, extension of your muscles. So then I go into some squats for your legs. One like this. Trying to keep your back straight, your legs out, 90 degrees when you go down. Get that flexion extension there. And switch and do. Start with a comfortable number for you and gradually increase. And then the other one is standing like you're going to do a squat with some weights on your shoulders. Keep your back nice and straight, legs kind of apart, kind of like this, equal to your shoulders down, and doing your squats. Up and down, however many you want. And usually you can add a weight as well. Hold on to a weight or something that's heavy. Side view. And then I move on to the hallway where I have this here. I got it at $10 at a used store. I can put a link for Amazon. It's probably around $20 or so. It just clicks in or goes up in your doorway around the frames of your doors. It's in there nice and snug, and you can do pull-ups, which are great because we really want to get the core. The core of our body is what needs to be strong. I find with using a lot of machines and stuff in the gym, you don't really get your core. Using one of these and using the weight of your body along with push-ups and sit-ups and pull-ups now, you're using your body as weight and really strengthening the core of your muscles. So you're going to use your shoulders, your back, your chest, your arms. You're going to get everything in this exercise here. So it's really good, and I just do as many of these as I can, and I try to stay consistent with that and keep adding to it. Basically, I like to keep my arms nice and wide as I can go here in the door. You can do short ones like this too and pull yourself up. Do the pull-ups here for my whole back and everything. And I like to, as you'll see, I like to fully extend. I don't like to cheat and just go down halfway. I like to fully extend, so I'm getting those muscles to extend properly. If you're just going like this, you're really not getting a workout. You're not doing it properly, and your muscles, it won't be able to strengthen your muscles appropriately, I don't believe. I'm all the way down, and obviously you have to lift your feet up off the ground. And nice and slow, up, right chin right up to touch the bar. So I'm gonna do as many of those as I can. So then you can add other things in as well, like exercises for your triceps. You can also add you can do a plank. That's really good for your core body as well. You can also do push-ups for another type of push-ups for your triceps as shown here. As I'm doing here, sometimes we add in. So there's lots of different exercises that you can just add in and do as well to add to your workout. You can also start to use weights to switch things up a bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and when it all comes down to it, I'm really trying to strengthen the core of our body and really just keeping in shape and getting those organs and muscles and tissues, just keeping them all in shape. And it can be simple, and do what works for you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, please subscribe to Rethink Health. Also go over to our website and check all the free content out there available for you and your family. Until next time, see you later.